morning, Triplers. I hope I find you well. It's now Sunday. That was quite nice, riding back from Dion and his mum's last night in the dark. All this was all lit up. That looked lovely. I don't often ride at night. Anyway, you find me in Elbra because the Noddishall Road was shut. I'm on my way to the Long Shop at Leiston. Do you remember last year's? Did I film it? Where's he going really? Doesn't know, does he? So we've had to come to Elbra to get to Leiston, which is no biggie, is it? Church Square. Here we are in Leiston. The rule standard, mate. Are you up, and boy? Look at the art on that, for Christ's sake. Just got to turn this corner here and we're there, mate. Old tattoo whisper. Flick. Barclays Bank, which isn't no more. The Long Shop. The Long Shop. Oi, oi! Thank you, boy! Oi, oi! Alright. Hello, boy. Yeah. Triple dive rides again. Have you missed me? Anywhere to park, boys? Morning. How do you want it, bah? Triple dive rides again to the Long Shop. Yeah, good. All right. Great little show. Is there some more? Yeah. Dives with a new gang. Ooh. What a lovely arse. They said they were going to Debach, so yeah, we're going to have a look at the custom show at Debach. Dives with a lot of Harleys, and it's not the Suffolk Cruisers. There was one chap who, did you see him when, you'll see when this come out, whenever. He come over to me smiling. I thought he was going to say something, but he obviously was just a smiley man. Dave's at the back. What's the time? 12:28. Yeah, I've done that show a few times, same old, innit, mate? When Thomas said that he's going to Debach, I thought, yeah, why not, eh? Something, bit of a change, innit? I do like an American muscle car, and if there's some Mustangs there, oh yeah, baby. Anyway, bring it back. Probably get some nice ambience here, I reckon. I don't know who these are waiting for. Who's at the other? Hello. My name's David. What's yours? Nice ambience, I was going to say, but nobody's given it the big revs. Oh, there you go. There's nothing like a good vibrate on a Sunday, is there? Huh? Hate this junction with a passion. Yeah, there seem to be lots of groups. Morning, fellow adventurers. Don't nod, don't wave, don't do shit all. Yeah, going the other way. Oh, we're not going that way, we're going Debach. Oh, we're going right past Triple Towers, I reckon. On the other at the junctions at Snape, there was bikes sitting doing the drop off, or not the drop off, but that looked like they were absolutely marking the junctions. That guy on the Triumph was at the Snape turn off the Olver Road, so he's doing the same. But saying that, how did he get in front of us? It's nothing to do with us. Don't get me wrong, Sheila. There was a massive group split up going the other way, which had markers on the junctions, because there was a bloke at the bottom there, at the bottom by the Friston, the last Friston turn on the left. He sat on the bank there. I said, "Are you alright?" He just stuck his thumb up. It was a marker, weren't he? Because there was one at the old return. Oh, we're going down Ivy Lodge. This'll wake me brother up. Anyhow, and here we are, Debach Airfield. Let's stick a camera out a little bit so we can get some. Whoop! Chunk. Oh, I haven't been up here for a long while. Debach Enterprises. This is another old airfield, which we have plenty of in Suffolk, don't you know? William Stobart has got some lorries up here, it looks like, doesn't it? Oh, racetrack! Where's he going then? BG Museum. Jesus! Off-road. Oh, this is excellent. We've all split up. It's bloody bumpy, isn't it? Oh, there's quite a few people down here, boss. Oh, the camera's totally gone. Come back. Come back. Well, I can definitely say I've never been around this part of Debach Enterprise before. Hello. Oh, wonderful. Oh, do you reckon there'd be somewhere to have a wee and get a Diet Coke? The military are here. I've been in along that bit there because that come off the whatchamacallit road, Clopton Road. Hello. Oh, I can see some American hardware. Oh, how wonderful, isn't it? Wonderful. There's some military stuff. We like military stuff, don't we, Beth? And stop. That looked like that bloke who was at that last Friston turn. He must have been a marker, because there was there was loads, weren't there? And then
a couple of groups out today.
Yeah, because there was one on the other coming our way, weren't there?
There's one in each direction.
Yeah.
Clearly out marking the road.
Yeah.
A couple of clubs out.
Yes.
Probably some on the way there and some on the way back.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds nice.
Well, they'll all start leaving now we've arrived.
Yeah. Got some great footage from up on the control tower there. That was bloody awesome. Here comes the Americans. Hello! Howdy! There was a lot of good stuff there. That's funny, isn't it? The Yanks never done diesel, did they? Everything was big petrol engines. Still is, I suppose, isn't it? And what do? Bloody electric. Anyway, guys and girls, I don't know, I might save this video. So this is filmed really the last days of September. So I might save it for the middle of winter again, you never know. That'd be nice to have something to put out, innit? In the middle of, when we get 12 foot of snow in the middle of February. So on that note, we'll wish you farewell, and we'll see you at the end of the week again. This has been Triple Dave rides again, goes to the long shop for half an hour, meets this rabble, and then end up at a lovely little military show at Debach, just outside of Woodbridge. Dave, my name's Dave, and I'm now going home to have a cup of tea and a hobnob. A hobnob.